This is a 2007 Honda Accord. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter V6. Its top features include a sunroof, heated seats, commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.